Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video from the series Get to Know Your Camera and Tutorial Monday. It would be the second and the seventh episode, because I come up with ideas while writing scripts. That was a long intro, but let's get into the video. Today, as you read from the title, I will be teaching you more about your camera, about the shutter to be exact. And since I don't want you to have a headache from all these informations, I will do it Peter McKinnon style. Not 2, but 3 minutes on the clock, and we are starting now, so let's go. I don't want to waste your time. Okay, let's run it down. What's shutter speed and how does it impact your photos? Shutter is, unlike aperture, a component directly in the camera. It controls by how much light gets to the sensor and how long it gets to it. So it makes your images brighter or darker. But there is also another effect that I will explain you later. But there are two types of shutters. There is a global plane shutter, meaning that it takes the photo instantly on all the pixels, and then there are the rolling shutters. So you have a rolling shutter that is horizontal and vertical. More on those later. The function that we use the shutter for is called shutter speed. The way we indicate shutter speed might be a little bit confusing in the beginning, but I'm sure you'll get into it. It's not that difficult to understand. We use rational numbers, so that means that you could have 1/100th of a second, 1/50th of a second, 1/2 of a second, and so on. Basically, all you can remember from this is just that the bigger the number on the bottom, the less time the sensor gets to have light. Well, but now that you know it, what is it even useful for? Why do you want to know it? I want you to think about it this way. You're a sports photographer, so you're taking photos of people that are doing things fast. So what you do? You want to capture the photos of the people to be as sharp as possible. So you will increase the shutter speed to something like 200th of a second or higher. That way you will have literally just a split second to get your photo. That also means that the photo will be created in literally a 200th of a second. You can see just what I talked about in this image. On the other hand, slower shutter speed can give you a blurred image. How can you take advantage of that? You can use that, for example, for this effect, but remember, you are making the shutter speed so slow that the time that the sensor gets to have light is really high. So you will need ND filters, and also you cannot, or most people will not be able to do a photo handheld with the time slower than a 1/60th of a second. It's almost impossible. And also, a 1/60th of a second is still a fast time, so you won't be getting blurred water with the 1/60th. You understand? So for a photo like this, it will be getting a little bit expensive, but bear with me, it's worth it, and you will also need a tripod and DND filters. Do you remember how I told you in the beginning of this video that there are two types of shutters? I told you there is the rolling shutter, and I told you I will tell you more now. So what's the rolling shutter? Unlike its counterpart, the global plane shutter, the photo gets taken in a sequence from left to right, side to side, depending what shutter it is. And of course, as life is life, there is an effect to this. I don't know its name, but it does this thing that, for example, on this portrait of a kid, you can see that the kid was blinking, and he was blinking so fast that actually you can see on the left he has his eyes closed, but on the other side, in the reflection in the glass, you can see his eyes open. It's not a photoshopped image, and it's just because the camera was taking the photo from left to right, or vice versa, it depends. But he was blinking that fast that he outran the camera. That's pretty cool, right? I don't know how much time is left. I hope there is some, but I'm just gonna assume I did get some time left. So I'm just gonna chat with you. How are you doing? What are you up to today? Thanks for watching if you made it all the way here, and I will see you next time. Peace!